Hello, welcome to another video. This time I love this truck. This is a great truck. This is a 1964 Ford F100. It's a short bed, half-ton step-side body, so it's the most desirable body that you can get. It's not a fleet line. It's not a uni body. It is still a step-side, which are getting harder to find nowadays. It's a Northern California truck, so it's come from sort of the arid desert state of North California. It's been on one farm, one ranch, most of its life. And it's never really, it was built in just outside Sacramento, and it's never really veered very far from there. So it spent its life just, I think it was southeast of Sacramento on this ranch. So it's not suffered with rot problems that a lot of them do. It's a factory 223 cubic inch, which is a 3.7 straight six petrol engine. It has been used. It was used quite regularly up until about 2-3 years ago, I think 2019. So it's in actually decent order. We've done work to it. It now starts, runs and drives very, very well. I've driven this on the road and it's very good. It's a mainly rot-free truck. I'll just show you around it. It's very, very solid where it matters. Chassis is lovely and solid. We've done work to it. We've put a new windscreen glass in it. We've put a new rear glass, rubbers, all that sort of stuff. It's now UK registered with a black and silver pressed steel plate, as you can see, with a V5. That's recently been done, but it's in its original green. Can't think of the number. I think it says it in the advert. The colour green. But it's in great condition. The only rust on it really is just superficial rust. That is an easy fix, very simple, straightforward fix. You can see here a little bit of rust just started going where the base of the bed meets the sidewall of the bed. And it's going this side and the other side, but that is a simple cut that out and weld a new bit in, no big deal. It's just started to go on the outside of the cab corners. But all this, I mean, mid-60s F100s were a little bit renowned for rotting out the cabs, the steps, the cab mounts, that sort of thing. This is actually has none of those problems. All original dash. All under here, which they do have a tendency of going. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not, but it's all solid, absolutely solid. The cab mounts, the where they absolutely mount, the inner arches, the steps, all that are absolutely rock solid. Just surface rust. This is, as you can see, more or less original. The only thing that it deviates from is it's got these 70s Wolf Race style steel wheels added to it. As you can see, that's its 223 cubic inch. Original straight six engine. Put a new carb on it. fire her up in a minute. First turn of the key, just runs superb. Have a little bit of choke in a minute. There's no undue rattles, no smoke, she's not burning any oil. It's a very, very healthy, strong motor. Sounds absolutely lovely. See the bit of rust on the bottom of the tailgate there. To a good metal man, that is simple enough to cut out, bend a new piece and weld in. Doesn't need a new tailgate. It doesn't matter. You can use the truck as it is and improve it as you go, or an aftermarket temperature gauge. The lights work, virtually all the electrics work, the wipers work, lights work, headlights, main beam, etc, etc. Don't know whether the radio works, let's try it. No, didn't think so. But anyway, it's a full speed on the floor, original transmission. See where it's just starting to go through there above the just below the spare wheel carrier. Can't really see. But there you are. It's just a very honest old truck. Not full of Bondo, not all painted, not all messed about with. Just a lovely, genuine old truck. What you see is what you get. But it is a usable vehicle as it is. You could use it, run and drive as it is. Or restore it if that's your thing. This is advertised on eBay at the moment. If you are interested in buying the truck, you can contact me. I'll put a link to the advert if it's still for sale in the bottom of this YouTube video. If you're interested, you can contact me, Pete, on 07980 921 341. Thanks for watching.